Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Israel Matseke Zulu Podcast, up close and personal. This is your one and the only, the GP, the ghetto professor, General Potaski, King Manamuni, fruit and veg, fruits, Bosori, Israel. My brother, how's it? Yeah, I know, welcome to the podcast.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to have me today.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I won't lie, it's my first time since I'm born in that fair.
You feel like manje, like up close and personally, untinta lapana, uthebekile vele esikhaleni serodo.
I can't express how I feel.
Yeah.
Yeah, injabule ngaphandle kimi igcwele blind.
So los remana ifanda khobani.
Los khuluma naye bafethu to vandag, it's Hexel Music all the way from K1 ekasongalaze Pamrishi. Bawuse Pamrish Court. Sekaslami ke lapho umuntu owaze Pamrish Court ufike la ngihlala khona.
Ikuphi Pamrish?
No, Pamrish is a singathi is a spread.
Oh, it's a spread.
Yeah.
Israel. Oh, Katlehong so.
Katlehong.
Oh, lelo kasi ke mala.
Next to Slum. Mawaze Slum ufike Pamrish.
Oh, Pamrish. So ukhule kanjani?
Ukhula ethi siqale kahle. Mina ngintwana ebuye eThokoza.
Okay.
Yeah, ngizalelwe eThokoza ngisho. eRamnots.
Akushe K47.
Lapho bezikhala.
Lapho kufa abantu.
Kabuhlunga. Ngizalelwe eThokoza, then masithi 1993 then we moved to zonke izizwe.
Yeah, izonke ngiyayazi. Ingathi sekugcineni so.
Isekugcineni zonke ngasemagagula.
Yeah.
Amagagula zonke ipublish.
Ngiyaya kwesinye isigela lapha zonke primary something. Ifene Katlehong at the end.
Yeah.
Okay.
Was yona straight.
Yeah.
It's first Loras at 66 zonke.
Okay.
Also first Loras vele sase Pamrish na sezonke.
Pamrish.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So ngicala isikolo ezonke, bengisahlala ezonke, ngicala isikolo primary ezonke, ngashaya futhi secondary ezonke.
Okay.
Yabo kahle ngintwana nje ekhulele ezonke.
Okay.
Yabo then we moved to Pamrish.
Okay.
Yeah. So Magriza wathola idlala ePamrish was 1998.
Yeah.
Yeah, wathola idlala ePamrish. Then ngamuva mina ngayohlala noMagriza.
Okay.
Mina ngintwana kaMagriza. Magriza kuMagriza C4.
Yeah.
Then lasibona yimi out ngi1.
Okay.
Yeah, so ezonke bekagogo.
Abantwana bakagogo.
Yeah, ezonke
abogogo mara they've played a major role. Ne?
Kabuhlunga.
They've raised the giants.
Kabuhlunga.
Zonke ngizinterviewayo nje zikhuliswa kuMagriza. Basasekhona abogogo manje. Bakhona abogogo nje kule generation yamanje.
Ngiboni.
Vela ke ngabe khona ugogo ne-tattoo.
Ngiboni.
Abogogo bamanje banama-tattoo.
Ngiboni man. Yeah, then from ezonke njoba ngisho ngawuhlala ePamrish. Mantete skila from Pamrish. That's when I started music in 2016.
Oh, 2016. No, it does. Phela 2016.
But angithi manje ukuthi ngicala music like 2016 into engizalwe nayo.
Yeah, no iblowe 2016.
Exactly.
Mara into okhule nayo.
Yeah, 2016 la ngicale khona ngekasi ukuthi okay yazini bebangibiza uDJ T lapho.
Okay.
Yeah, not Hexel Music. DJ T.
Hexel Music.
Yeah.
So on your first day, the day of the first uqala music. Wednesday. On your first day, must say in 2016.
Yeah.
On your first day, uqala music. Angithi abanye thina siqale mina ngikhulele kule charity bathi charity la ka6 inkosi 10 number 70. Bokunama-drum wakudala. Unomunye umkhukhu babeka ama-drum wakudala. Manje masese intwana besithatha la ma-drum wakudala sifaka ama-plastic.
Yeah.
Sishaya igu. Kuthe gu bese babeka mina ku vocal le bengingayithandi vocal ngifuna ukushaya ama-club bantu kucula wena so wena uqale kanjani
to realize ukuthi music kimi I think ibe ngu grade 3 grade 3 angijabule esigila kunama besinama pencil case abona ama pencil case lawa we lawa metal
wesenge nyala
lawa metal
kodwa besibiza instrument
lawa metal then kunama body yabona ama proof case lawo bese waphatha ama plastic ama proof case ama body bese wabiza ngama body
thina sibambe i-suitcase le brown yabona i-suitcase le brown
khona lezi zilandela lezo
ngiyabona ama-generation
lezi zilandela lezo bese kuyilezi plastic angithi lezi ezi-brown bekungathi boma-box enyana so lezi zethu bekuyilezi ama-plastic hard plastic so lunch nje angithi abona boma-lunch mazithi Friday abo-cherry bayaklina thina siwasha ama-festela that's how they taught us ukuthi okay amajita nina nizoklina abo-cherry amajita nizowasha ama-festela abo-cherry bayaklina okay so before we did that ngama-lunch I decided ukuthi okay yazini ngoba la eklasini ngiyabona ngathi nginokujiva kungena sound yabo ngcono mina ngo-DJ uyabona then sothatha it's how we started sithatha amachoko sibhale sizobhala izinto ezi-round edeskini kube ngathi
exactly sound system
exactly so mina bengibeka isuitcase yami ngibeke lile ngile ngithatha irula lami bengishaya ngalo le metal kube i-tweeter leyo i-tweeter leyo then isale siyi-1 sila KC
siya-operate
kiki leyo kiki leyo phethe kiki ngiphethe i-tweeter ziyakhala that's how I started ukuthi okay this thing there ingangisa somewhere because I can see people are enjoying what I'm doing
when you respond more
exactly mangiyenza ngiyabona abantu bayakhona ukuyijayivela lento engiyenzayo that's where I started to grow up exactly
you are a DJ by profession
DJ manje I'm a vocalist
you are a vocalist you are a DJ you are a producer
yes
you beat with color pants
from scratch
on the studio
no sebenzisana namajita I don't have my studio as per my own but then inamajita wami ngisebenza nawo eKasi boma Foslo Soweto and Thokoza
and then your first DJ will be for the first time
for the first time in DJ because I remember mangicede isigila besingenamali ukuthi maybe ngakhona ukuyesigila into ezinjalo
proceeding education
exactly so I decided ukuthi yazini since ngikhuliswa uMagriza kuphela yabona and ngiyambona uyastrugglisha ithi ngihamba ngiyophanda ngiphanda imali yokuyesigila that's why I started ukuthi ngisebenze emafemini bengisebenze Wheatville kune company bathi Steiner manje sekuyi Bidvest Steiner so I started working there as a printer I was doing digital printing there so
you had to go work
I had to go exactly so ngithe mangiloku ngisebenza lapho ngabona ukuthi okay yazini since ngithanda music indaba esigila athi ngibekele side kancane ithi ngithenga equipment
sound
ngathenga sound ngabagebe start DJ ngama computer PC start DJ nge-PC PC but then mina ngaya on top I bought HP laptop azange ngidj nge-PC ngabhaya ngikhumbula kahle ngabhaya i-Elerent
isitolo sakudala
ngayibhaya HP that's where I started to do ama-gigs kuma-parties ekasi bebazi ukuthi vela abo-DJ bebangakho abantu baningi
bengabe fashion
lapho bengisashaya ngebase nyana eyi-1 nama-top nyana eyi-2 so ekasi bebabiza mina vele baba amaphatho encosi bashaya amabhraya ama-society into ezinjalo babiza mina bathi alandele umntwana kamavuso lapho azosdijela landa umntwana kamavuso azosdijela lapho so I started to see ukuthi okay ngayenza imali ngale nto yabo let me start charging because bangibiza kaningi yabona so kushuthi bayayithanda lento engiyenzayo let me start charging them
Yeah.
Yabo. So ukuthi mangibachacha ngizokhona ukubeka imali ngenze lento engingayenzanga engiyenze ngesound because I had to ukuthi ngiyesgila but then angiyanga esgila ngathi decide ukuthenga isound.
Yeah.
So ukuthenga kwami isound kwaba opportunity yami ukuthi manje yazini ngikhona ukubudgeta.
Yeah.
Ngikhona ukuya phambili ngomusic.
Okay.
Yeah. Then after that that's whereby ngakhulisa isound lami ngakhulisa isound lami. That's whereby abantu bama tavern they started to recognize ukuthi man khona into anepressayo ngale. Yabona. Masingathola le ntwana ibusiness lethu lingabhona.
Yeah.
Yeah, because le ntwana le mayina mapati musika egcwala mas.
So your first payment will charge money.
It was 500 per day. That was my first payment.
Your first payment.
Yeah, ben DJ yakwenye tavern bathi kamandi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 5 clipper.
5 clipper. So mang DJ Friday.
Yeah.
Saturday.
Yeah.
Sunday.
Yeah.
Lapho bengiphethe 0.5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, 500 rand per day.
Per day.
Kusimo DJ 3 days.
Ngina
0.5. So wayenza imali.
Bengenza imali.
So wayescale wa proceed nge-education after uyenza imali ngo DJ or wavela wathi niyazi ithi vele ngihlale kulo DJ.
Ngiyaqhubeka ngomusic.
Yeah.
Why? But then I had to ukuthi ngiyesgila because esgila vele it's high rich. I had to do it.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Yeah.
Sikhuluma manje I've got a qualification for supply chain management, logistics.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, usale wire SK.
Exactly.
Good. You are a graduate.
In a logistics.
So, what's your name and what's your surname?
Igama lamampela uTukuluho wakamavuso.
Oh, wakamavuso.
Ushengu Shabalala uDongo Makudulela.
Oh, Mavuso.
Umavuso.
Oh, Mishak Mavuso yam first time. Mujavas.
Yeah.
Yizo. Mangithentilo khabani.
Angithi manje sika kuyini le story lesi? Smoke and mirrors. Smoke and mirrors, yeah.
Okay.
Ngimfatela blind.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, straight to the point again, manje. Okay, the journey continues with music. Muzabathu uwine award 2022.
Summer awards.
Umasama. Angaze ngaya mina, angazi ukuthi ayenzwa kuphi. Ngiyengajike Rustenburg ngashaya U10. I-reason ngathi ukubhadala ama-gate ayi-4 to get into actual venue. Asagcina shaya U10. Angaze ngaya kumasama, angazi ukuthi kwenziwa ndaba. So wena ufike kanjani lapho?
Yeah, into engayisho ukuthi uNkulunkulu mkhulu.
Yeah.
Kanti futhi nokuzitshela futhi ukuthi into leyo uyayenza uyayithanda.
Yeah.
Nokungagive up.
Oh, nokungagive up.
Yeah. Nokwazi abantu. Enye into futhi ukwazi abantu.
Okay.
Because mina into engincedile kakhulu it's because ngiphilisana nabantu abaningi la ngihlala khona.
Yeah.
So kahle i-award le angiziwinelanga mina.
Yeah. Elaba.
Hence kumasama bengenaso speech.
Okay.
I only said kahle this is for you.
Oh, so it's mabakubiza lapha, ladies and gentlemen, these are the nominees. The winner, Tokulo from Katlego. That moment, how did you feel?
Yabona ngaleso sikhathi leso.
You were not ready.
Bengicala empilweni yami ukuthuka.
Yeah.
Ngaleyo ndlela leyo.
Yeah.
Yeah, bengicala ukuthuka ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Mabalukhu babiza ama nominees angithi bayasho uthi Makhathi, MT.
Yeah.
Bani.
Yeah.
Yabona?
Yeah.
Then mase bengazi ukuthi okay igama lami vele likhona kuma
kuleya
category kule top 5.
Best South African artist
but
of
then
2022.
But then I didn't expect to win. Okay. Truly speaking.
Yeah, vele lapha inzima
Makhathi lapho Makhathi lapha kunabo MT kunabo Youngster kunabo Msaki.
Siyabuya.
Then mina was an underdog.
Yeah.
Awuthi bangayazi.
2022 into ya no dealers. So, I've been chukile na. Yeah.
Fucked up.
Yeah.
So, ayithi malo bababiza bese ngibeka imoya phansi mina ukuthi ayazini. Abona mangila igama lami zoba selivele lapha ya. Something big for me.
Yeah. Bona expecta kuba zothi yilo vele number 1.
Ngithi hayi for mina
as long
lapha igama lami mina sengibhobhile. Yabona.
Ayi kanti bazothi
bayithema bathi Hacksoul music.
Yeah. who are the best artist of the whole year? What are the requirements?
It's votings.
Personality?
It's voting.
Oh,
yeah, this one, category. It's
but before the voting,
yeah.
Select.
No, before the votings, I need you need to do marketing.
Oh, marketing.
Yeah, I need to first is top 8.
Okay.
You need to be there. Yes, you need to be there with your top 8.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
So what I did, I was campaigning.
Okay.
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 Because I knew Uchi people abamazi Haxon music.
Yeah.
They know DJ T. As I told you before with me, I was a DJ then by the name DJ T.
Oh, your DJ name is DJ T.
Yeah. DJ T Dala. I had to change Uchi Ube Haxon music because I was honoring my friend.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the name Haxon.
Yeah, it's Haxon.
Haxon. It's H.
It's a French name.
A.
It's HAKSUL.
Oh, Haxon.
It's a French name. Ugenza kahle.
Oh, ugenza
It's to do well.
Oh, it's to do well.
Yes.
Yeah, man, you'll understand.
Yes.
So this is an award.
This is an
How
award.
you put it?
This is an award.
And what they serious? You're gonna cover you guys.
I
find that they are my ex and they will not be baba. So if
they may be safe.
Yeah?
And
they
yeah,
the winner, Israel Matseke Zulu Podcast. Yeah, no.
This is a real thing.
For the 28th annual South African Music Awards,
which is 2022.
Oh, Sampra Artist of the Year, Haxon Music. Bafethu 9. I want to share a podcast with everyone is welcome. I see a podcast I'm a celebrity. Anyone has a story to tell. Maybe you want to showcase your talent, you are welcome here. Maybe you want to share a story, painful or happy story, you are welcome. We also welcome the donors. If you have a contribution, you are welcome. We need partnerships, endorsements. Maybe you want to advertise your product, you are welcome into our podcast. Yes. And then what you are going to into a
I lay you good man.
When the seniors are showing, I'm okay to win after 3 months in my tears. They want to sell a party.
I lay you.
Oh, this is the award.
Yeah, you the award.
So as I was saying, about complain against the what to win, but not maybe we move for
the yeah. Because you have a conanama, which you know. The brown envelope, was voted. Same story,
yeah,
exactly. I was voted, brown envelope, and Tony. I was about to party. There's no such. Yeah. What I did.
Marketing.
Exactly. What I did, I checked about them now. Category. Master C10 because you are the top 10.
Yeah.
Master C10 I checked and I won okay. I think it's unpelele. But then I'm going on with no man. I was to figure like
yeah.
We are what?
Yeah.
Yenza something. That's why I started to go jazzing. It didn't follow a walk and I'm artista.
Yeah.
Check which banban wenzani. Then I realized ukuthi yabo MT Makati abekho. Bebangekho. Bebasebagigini ngaleso sikhathi. Yes,
market.
Bebangekho nix South Africa bebangekho. Bangithi ngicheck ama page wabo ntontoni abamarket abayenza ifokole.
Yeah, no, you remind me that man zoshama awards to makama. No, marketing is shy. Should each and every gig be voted. ngibaxolisa le number le 342117 asiyani and it worked very well.
Because ekasa ngithi kunama hotman abo EFF ANC.
Yeah.
So bathanda ukuyenza lento zabo zama meeting, rallies and stuff.
Okay.
So mina into engiyenzile ngiyathatha imali yami yokugcina engiheheza.
Okay.
Then I did ama pamphlets.
Yeah.
To hand out.
Yeah.
So bebathi mabaya ama hotman like especially ku ANC mabaya lapha because kune stadium ekasi it's Pamrish Stadium.
Yeah.
So kuyeke zabo MEC banibani khona linye hotman undoza langibiza la athi boy ngibonile ba ukuma category lapha kumasama yabo shaya ama pamphlet lapha kuzobe kunabantu abayi more than 1000 umphakathi wasephamrish uzobula ne-youth izobula shaya lezo zinto lezo noma ungashaya 500 uze nazo la sizokugaya platform estage uba performele ukhulume nabo njengentwana sekasi bancenge bazoku understand yabona then ngayenza exactly what he told me. I handed them out.
And then one thing I've realized, Israel has a lot of vocalists.
Yeah.
What is the secret? I don't know, Lebu Matosa, TJ Clio, KO, Bongo, Questa,
yeah. My fan souls is from that side.
Yeah.
Yeah. About so many DJs, so many artists they are from that side.
Yeah.
Showing ngoma.
I'm shyly vocal man.
Showing ngoma.
Who's out there vocalist? I was a singer from school. Yeah. I'm telling you from sub A. First day in the school in Wina, quiet. And I think the news on the music. I'm full of
yeah.
Because music I felt boring for me. Ngithanda ukwenza into esebenzisa energy. Yabo dakidiski, hayi diskale phone. Kanti music ilento level engizophila kuyo till today. Mara bengibaleka lento automatic practice. Angithi mawucula esikole sakhe siphuma. Isikolo siyaphuma, siyamele sisale esikoleni. Siyocula dotila sofa. For 2 months siyacula lama alphabet. Ikanti ama words siyowacula nini? Eish.
Angithi kuze nibambe izinto esikila is simple if they teach you music.
Yeah.
If banensabo
yeah.
Straight mele kube ngathi ingoma nizo enjoy.
Yes, honestly mina bengilezi ngijahela ukuthi ingoma ifike ema-notes. Ngozwe le ngoma le ithi message yakhe. Masigns about dotila ngafara bengikhathaza apply. Mara I think I was discovered as a good singer. Mara mina bengingathandi ukucula. Angifuni ukukhuluma. Engibhoreka. Ngifuna into yazi manje esebenzisa igazi kakhulu ne-energy.
Ufuna ukumove akawo.
Yeah, ngifuna ukumove.
Yeah.
Mara ngirealize ukuthi into ongayithandi mostly ile oyiyo.
Eish.
Into ongayithandi. Le oyithandayo kakhulu akusiyiyo. Ayithandi yona. So strategy sami ngathi no, let me look at what I hated most. It was to be in front of the people.
Yeah.
I wanted to be on stage. Bese abantu bangibhekelele bengifila ngathi ngiyipuppet. I'm a bear somehow. I never put some tubo edrobhini yajive lapha. Babathi jive bungathi umhlaba ungadabuka ngene ngaphakathi. Jive wena into for sale. Ubani uma jive wami?
Ngapha amahlelo.
Yazayilo gaba uma jive wami ngithi babathi hayi eba-jive wami. Osala.
Yeah, ama-jive into bakubiza
ngoba eba-jive wami zwala yini? Ekanti profession. Then let's sing. Noma yini ba. Shama notes la usuzwe ukuthi le voice le kahle vele ikhona uyiwinile vele kwamambela nje.
Awedali wami. Amina ngikethile. Ngakhetha kwabaningi. awe dali wami mina ngikethile ngakhetha kwabaningi.
Yeah, ibabela. Yazi ngibona uDr Malinga kuwe. Uke wami or ubani ufuna ukusifana naye?
No, we never met with Dr. Malinga. To be honest, I'm always saying it's just that unfortunately we never met with the guy.
And you look alike.
Yeah? We never met with the guy. Not music.
Oh, not music.
Not music.
Anga Makubalo.
That guy, njoba ngizibizwa Hexul music.
Yeah.
Le gama Hexul, I was using igama lelu Hexul namajita elokishini namajita wami nje besizamela sonke ngama weekend.
Yeah.
So there was a dance where we called it Hexul.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so when one of them passed on, Sahlukana, but then he was the guy, and he has a machita no man have 10.
Yeah.
Kona we foster now.
Yeah.
So unfortunately enough, he obeyed foster out here. So he passed on.
Okay.
Unino. So he was my only friend. And long and I share everything with him. He shares everything with me. Yeah, so ngathatha lelo gama lelo because bengithanda not music.
Okay.
Then ngathatha le gama Haxul ngafaka music. Kwaba Haxul music.
Oh.
By that time we foster no like music fucked up.
Yeah, because it's Ukuli house.
Yes, he's doing Afro house.
Afro house. Okay.
Yes, but now he's a DJ also.
Oh, Nak.
Yes.
Yeah, there was a gig December. Weinberg. I was there. Yeah, I saw him on the stage. He's a DJ.
Now he's a DJ also. So that guy inspired me a lot.
Okay, he's an actor.
Exactly.
He's a DJ.
Yes.
He's a musician.
That guy is versatile.
Yeah.
That guy is business minded also, because he's got also a Royal Flush, the bottle.
Oh, the bottle, the Royal Flush.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that guy will inspire a cool life in. So.
Not. Okay. Good. Congratulations. We are fine on Casper your vest.
Yeah.
Casper your vest in una question, ne? But you have vodka.
Yeah, but I think sometimes he's using that kulunyo. Or it's just a face or something.
And then no play coffee. The speak point. The CEO. Yeah,
Black Coffee is also a business-minded guy.
And the richest people in the world.
That one has always been rich when we compare him to South African DJs.
Yeah.
No
ski, last time.
Yeah, but I need to go ski. I'm
underground.
I'm ski.
I'm low profile.
Yeah, our ras, our bangumsi.
He's lazy, as not concorded as not say.
I'm a pitbull.
So, growing up at Katlehong was surviving a crime because Katlehong is one of the townships that gune varsity robbery.
Zakar. No dealers that make us memory exceeding. Yeah.
So when you survive,
it depends. It depends which I can say.
Yeah.
Njoba ngisho mina ngikhuliswe umama.
Yeah.
Under our sister. So out bengiwa. So
it's a female dominant family.
Exactly. So esikhathini esiningi bebangisho opportunity ukuthi ngibe se-study when I was growing.
Yeah,
so exactly. So ngaleso sikhathi leso bengifila ngathi bayan abuse. Yes, bengifila ngathi bayan abuse because mangibuye esikolweni mina I was selling from esikolweni. Bengithengisa amakhekhe esikolweni.
Yeah.
Ngama weekend uMagriza bekabheka sinikeza athi aye house to house.
Entrepreneurship.
House to house. Amanothenga.
Millionaire in the making.
Yes. So mawuqeda ukuthengisa mele uyemfuleni kunomfula ngale kasi. Belu emfuleni uyotheza inkuni. For ukuthi kuzobazwe endlini. Udliwe.
And uwodla kakhulu umntana.
Multiply mawuqeda zonke lezo zinto lezo
sokumnyama kuyolala kuye esikoleni kusasa.
Awusena chance asiphelile. Yabo, that's how I grew up. Namanje I don't have friends.
Okay.
Uthi umuntu ngathi okay, this is my friend.
Okay.
I don't have friends.
My friends are not good.
Yes, I only have people I work with.
Associates.
Yes. People I have relationship with, people I take them as my brothers.
Yeah. Brothers keepers.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But le ukuthi ngikhule ngithi okay, mina umngane wami lo. Hence I'm telling you ukuthi I was so disappointed in life because I only had one friend lately. Then he passed on. Yeah, but so since then him.
What is the heaviest challenge you came across in your journey? In the entertainment.
Hey, one is key.
Yeah.
It's key and Amula Plus. The environment is kulele muyo. It's tough.
Yeah.
It's tough. It's key.
It
is key and kuluma ngokuvalelwa ngaphandle. Yabo, because namanje le nto le isayenze ukuthi manje sekungcono because now people take me serious.
Yeah. So we brand.
Exactly. Now I'm a brand. Now they do respect me. Hence I'm working with Jup.
Oh.
Yeah, so
yeah, no, I cool.
So Ukhotman, I can say, even though we do have our own challenges, but then I can say like I've learned a lot. Yes, I've learned a lot. This is actual music.
Yeah.
Stage. Abantu bajabule.
Ubani okuyaphi lokho? Ukakhanga kwendlela imali. Maybe akusebenzisa ngazange kubhadala.
Lo kusebenzisana ungambhadali sayibekele sayidini. What I can say okwamanje ukuthi singakahlabezana nenkinga. I lost almost 80,000.
Yeah.
Ngama scam. Mangisazama ukungena ku music.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ngama scammers ezinye imali zakhona ngizithatha ku sisters, ngithatha ku magreza, kuvela umuntu athi ntwana mina ngakulahlela la.
Ungangena kusasa nje.
Yeah, wena ntwana
ufana nabo mandloza.
Exactly. Umuntu akutshela ukuthi ntwana mina ngisebenzela nabo Zola, ngisebenzela nabo bani. Yabona uZola kuphi?
Yeah.
Ngaleso sikhathi leso uZola was big.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Sasozo,
exactly. So uyabona mawuzofika endlini ukhaya nomagrizo uyazi nawe uyayithanda lento. Magrizo akana zinto. Sefela khulume nabo sister, akhulume nabo abantu bakuhlanganisele ithathwe lo mali ihanjiswe.
Yeah.
The next thing umuntu wakhona akasatholakala.
Umagrizo usaphila?
My mom passed on 2019 ne-twins lami. I'm a twin.
Oh.
To a sister.
Oh, you are a twin to a sister.
Yes.
Itwin lakho lishonile?
Yes, 2019. Same the following week umama ushone this week, itwins lashona next week.
Oh, you are called unidentified twin.
Yeah.
Unfani?
No, we look alike.
Oh, but it's boy and girl.
Yes.
Bobby's uncle is twin now.
I'm not sure.
Oh,
I've never heard of that one. Yeah, I've never heard of that one.
Okay, so man.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Lengoma le ngene ngayo la kuma award. It's the song I created after they passed on.
Okay.
Yeah, ithemba lami.
Okay, uMagriza akasekho.
Magriza akasekho.
The old lady akasekho.
Alisekho.
The timer
alisekho.
Umarukhulena the time. Bolahle
Ithema yeah, ethokoza ngikhulena le time bengilazi, but then angithi njoba ngichaza ukuthi 1993 baye ba divorce.
Yeah, no, that's first time.
Then we moved to Zolo.
Yeah, mara bowazi thaba la.
Manje thina besivakasha ne-twins lami ngama weekend bese ya ku time ngama. During the weeks kuma-Griza weekend madala.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so entrepreneurship manje, where are you? Do you own a shop? Do you push business? Except music?
No, hence I said ukuthi I'm doing logistics.
Logistics.
Yes.
Logistics means anything.
We're doing events.
Yeah.
I'm also doing transportation.
Transportation?
Yes. Then I'm also doing charity work.
Charity work?
Charity work, ngenza ama fundraising, like we're donating to schools, some sanitary pads.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
For school shoes.
Yes, like
giving back to the community.
Exactly, like manje, eyokugcina siyenza manje masekuzovala isikole ngoDisemba nomiyano.
Oh, Miyano?
Yes.
No, was here last week.
Yeah.
I think we hosted him last week.
Siyenze nomiyano ngoDisemba Eden Ridge Primary.
Eden Ridge Primary.
Yeah, so what we do, sivakashela abantwana, abazali, let's say abazali bazokhipha 10 rand, ukuthi beze bazobukela thina perform.
Okay.
Then abantwana we bring at least 2 or 3 celebrities. Ukuthi beze esikolweni, then we're doing pamphlets obvious. Obvious abantwana bakuzama celebrity bayajabula ngithi.
Yeah.
Then we motivate them.
Yes.
Ukuthi crime is not good. Yes. Crime doesn't pay. Isikolo sibalekile. Umzali uyahlonishwa.
Yeah.
Endlini ungena ngesikhathi so into zesikolo kumele uzenze noma kanjani. Yabo into njani ezikanjani. Then lo mali leyo eyabazali abayikhiphayo.
Yeah.
Thatha lo mali leyo eyabazali. Sithengele ngayo labantwana lezinto abashoda ngazo esikolweni. Sanitary pads, school shoes, it depends ukuthi eclassini akithi mistress uzobhala eclassini lakhe uyamazi umntwana
challenges ukuthi la.
Yes, uyazi ukuthi hayi usibahle ushoda ngani. Usibusiso ushoda ngani. Then beza nama list.
So drugs wise, because our entertainment industry is full of drugs, there's name gazing, drugs, selling the soul to the devil. Those
ones bengazicabangi kakhulu. Lezo bengazicabangi because I feel ukuthi la ngikhona mina I think ukuthi uNkulunkulu sangibless enough. Mangibheka la ngibuya khona nala ngikhona manje. I feel ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungiblessile. So I will be insulting God.
Yeah.
If ngizothi mina I want to sell my soul because I want more money.
Okay.
I will be insulting God. I will be insulting indlela umama nkhulisekayo.
Exactly.
Yes. If mina ngizothi manje sengimdala kanje, ngifuna ukuyenza music ngama drugs. Ngifuna ukuperformela abantu ngehigh. I will be insulting indlela umama ngikhulise ngayo. I believe ukuthi because lento le if uzalwe nayo uzokhona ukuyenza usoba.
With or without?
Yes. Uzokhona ukuyenza usoba. Yes, we do drink because this one is normal.
Yes.
Yes.
It's
alcohol,
legal?
yes, alcohol is normal.
It's
we
legal.
Drink. Kuma event, yes, we do
Yes.
drink. Leyo it's enough for me ukuthi ngikhona ukujabula ngikwazi ukuface abantu.
Okay.
Yes.
So where do you live now?
Now I stay in Palm Beach.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wakile.
At my mom's house.
Okay.
Because angithi our sister bahlala emadladleni.
Yeah, vela ngeke ngihambe no.
Yes, they've got their own houses. Hence I said umfana ngiwani.
Yeah.
Nguvusa ikhaya igama lami.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Yeah, mele uvuse ekhaya.
Yes, nguvusa ikhaya igama
mele
lami.
ushatele lapha ekhaya.
Yeah. So
otherwise mongekho futhi shoot is over.
So I need to make sure ukuthi umuntu engihlangana naye life in.
Yeah.
Njoba nginaye manje.
Yeah.
Umblessile uGod ngalo muntu enginaye.
Yeah.
Ngimbiza ngomashoba.
Okay.
Yes. Umbless kakhulu ngalo muntu enginaye. So I think we still going far. Lempilo bengiphile ecaleni angisayiphile.
Yeah.
Now life engiphilayo manje is the life umama bekangifisela yona.
Yeah.
I think nalala
you are living the parents' wish.
Exactly. Nalala khona she's happy.
Yes.
I'm 100% sure.
Yeah.
She's happy because obvious akekho umuntu ongawayenza ama mistake but majority of the things she wanted me to have I do have them now.
Proud lakho.
Yes.
Uke wafahla kiyo?
No.
Awazwafahla kiyo.
No.
Yeah, ungalinge vele ufahla kiyo.
No, ithi ngibeka so but man le ukufahla kwa it's another thing. Because njoba siZulu sisho sithi livula ngone. Yeah. So exactly. So that's why I cannot assure you ukuthi angekenze. As long as ngisaphila.
Yeah.
Because leyo yenzeka nakuno noma ubani.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Exactly. So it depends ngawo ukuthi okay mase sifikile leso sikhathi wena usithatha kanjani. Anjefana nomuntu let's say maybe umuntu ubosho le rape.
Yeah.
Ohoboshela ubulala umuntu ekasi.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Mase kabuya.
Yeah.
Kubuya ukuthi ufuna umphakathi umthathe kanjani.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Exactly. Uphuma kuye ukuthi ufuna receive kanjani.
So do you have kids?
I do have kids.
How many?
We have 3.
Oh, you have 3 kids. Hey, was a little man.
Yeah, we have 3.
Oh, one mother, one father.
No mama sinabantwana abayi 2.
Okay.
Then one ngaphandle.
Oh, one ngaphandle.
Yeah.
No, akusecala lelo mfethu. So, yinto ofuna ukuyitshela abantu manje, yini oyiphushayo manje? You track what are you pushing?
Manje there is a song that is coming nge-25 is February. Imizamo yami. That song it talks about I didn't go specifically which is female or male.
Yeah.
Ikhuluma ngawo umuntu. Yes. Ikhuluma ngawo umuntu le ngoma leyo on how not to hurt another person.
Yeah.
Yes. So imizamo yami is coming out nge-25 is February.
Yeah.
Streaming, downloading.
Yeah.
Support from you guys I would love and also I would appreciate for you guys to give me.
Mina bafethu kusheshe ni download ni stream lapha kusheshe all media platform nginengoma bathi kusheshe bafethu ithamba namahomo cha isandla semfene phula kumfaka yeah niyazi vele siyaqhubeka we'll do it until we rest
Njalo
yazi into enhle ngokuba artist noma ungasekho emhlabeni into eshuthiwe or recorded will be there forever.
Yeah, for the next generation to see and learn.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is good for the next generation ukuthi babone ukuthi okay ama-hot man wethu lo waphila kanjani.
Yeah.
So that they can adapt and do the good things.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. Yiphi ngoma before beside yakho nje i-soundtrack nje idlalelayo all the time mawenza izinto. Ngiyazi my artist yabona mina ngihlala ngishaya ama line. Thola ngimile kanti vele sengiya compose ngikubhekile. So I always have a soundtrack. Nokuthi mayolala kunengoma egrasile endlebeni lokuyadlala le ngoma. Noma ngabe i-gospel noma ngabe yiphi that drives you.
Kalakatha.
Inkalakatha.
Mandoza.
Kalakatha.
The
The king of
that
white.
sound.
Yeah.
That sound there.
Boom.
Now that sound there. That sound I think I was like this bengaga. Yeah, bengaga ngaleso sikhathi leso. Hlale zonke bekusesemikhukhu kuphela.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngaqala ukuyizwa nge-birthday yentwana yami umshana wami.
Yeah.
Yeah, incosi kaSister.
Yeah.
Leyo ngoma ngaqala ukuyizwa lapho till today ngisayifatela.
Oh, rest in peace. Mshabalala intonga lamavuso sikhwama sethu. I know. Bavayile amajita. So what do you say about the way they passed on?
No, it's so sad. It's so sad because Tina as an artist manje, we were still learning a lot from them. I can say especially AKA.
Yeah.
AKA inzusinhliziyo obuhlungu kakhulu because for me nesayidini lami he was the guy obambe hip hop Dutch.
Yeah.
South Africa.
Yeah.
He's the guy manje bekayiphethe kanje hip hop.
Yeah.
So now ngokusuka kwakhe lahleka izinto eziningi when it comes to music. Njoba sekukhona amapiano phela amapiano acindezela yonke into.
Yeah.
Acindezela yonke into.
Ashaya ifulafala.
Exactly. But then AKA was able ukuthi ayibambe lento.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Yeah.
AKA was the guy. Yes, KO's also doing the same, but then AKA was the best for me.
Yeah, ngoba nginokuzwa nengoma zakhe besinokuhlanganisa nekwaito.
Yes.
Mabhiti wakhe. Yeah. So we lost AKA Vicky Tamil HP.
A lot. So
Actors man being an artist doing the same thing and mawujaphela labantu laba bavaye kabuhlungu akuthusa akushake akushayisa uvalo.
No, it does. It does bring fear. But at the same time, I need to believe ukuthi isikhathi mase sifikile. We cannot say ubani bani uhambe ngendlela eso kusho ukuthi vele bebamfuna ustikhe kuleyo nto leyo.
But there's nothing like happy death. That is that.
Exactly. Hence I'm
akufaka mnandi uthi mina ngifeka mnandi mina ngifuna ukufa ngilele mangivuka sengifile.
Hence I'm saying akutamanje yabona nje bahleli kanje kamnandi.
Yeah.
Ungezwe kusasa bathi hey, Hacksoul music is no more.
Yeah bana.
Yabona?
Yeah.
Obvious to you it will be a surprise because bohleli naye.
Ish.
You understand?
Yeah.
Just like amajita, many abantu bebahleli nawo then it happened.
How would you like to be remembered when you passed on emhlabeni? Yiphi lige sofuna ukuyishiya?
Iconic. Another one ngifuna ukuthi abantu bazi ukuthi there was a guy, if angikhona nguzenza manje lezo zinto lezo, there was a guy who wanted to bring peace. There was a guy who wanted to bring change.
Yeah.
There was a guy who wanted to bring love. Because when you check life is too fast now. So angizithandi izinto the way zenzeka ngakhona manje ku-youth yethu.
Yeah.
Angizithandi.
Yeah.
Mina nje ngokuya ngami I'd love to change everything.
How will you change it?
If
given an opportunity,
I
make you a president now.
Exactly.
How will you change?
No, that one is simple.
Yeah.
If I can be given a go-ahead to say, Hacksoul, now you are in charge of 1, 2, 3 in South Africa. Mina number 1, I'll change schools. Which go in school samantombazane kuphela nabafana kuphela. Number 2, I'll change lento yase South Africa yokuthi kuboshwe abantu ababhemayo mabakuthole nama-drugs babophe wena. Bayekela umuntu owathengisayo. You get my point?
I'm with you.
Exactly. Because it doesn't help ukuthi uzolanda umuntu oyithengile oyibhemayo. Ayisizi. That guy is not selling. Funeka lo oyithengisayo.
Mara bayasabiwa. Banepower, banemali, bayamobona, bayadubula, bayabulala. That's untouchable.
Angithi lento engisho ukuthi when you are a leader, you need to lead by example. You need to lead without fear.
Yeah.
You need to lead without fear. Maui leader yangempela.
Must sacrifice yourself.
Exactly. That's a leader. Angichabona izebra. Yabona izebra. Ngizokwenza example ngezebra.
Yeah.
Amazebra mawazo crosser ku river kunama crocodile. If abana sure ukuthi kunama crocodile lapha, the leader will go first. The leader will go first. Lezi ezinye zimelele zibone ukuthi umphathi wethu
kunzima mosikuba leader.
You understand? Yeah. Maui leader, you need to sacrifice a lot for your people.
Yeah.
For example, ama-councillor savotela shelo kushina hambi. That's not a leader for me.
Okay.
That's not a leader for me. Because akaziboni
uyabuya ngeFerrari
akaziboni inkinga zethu.
Exactly. Thatha kucheri la.
Behlala nawo manje la. Then when you move because sesikuvotelile so ne monthly payment, so ne monthly salary. Then wena sobona ukuthi wena songcono so shiye lokushini.
Yeah.
Ikhalo zethu awusenandaba nazo.
Yeah.
Wena so ule. So for me that's not a leader.
Yeah.
Umuntu oyenza.
He's an opportunist.
Exactly. For example, njoba ngisho ukuthi mina I would love to bring change. Angase silwe kangaki no mama athi bekwazi singamove la.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Yeah.
Baby mina lokushina ngithandi.
Yeah.
Why singawuhlalisa ababili?
We DJ phela.
Uyabona
ushayine award.
Nithani mntwana mani mamela. Uyabona lento le. La kusekhaya la. Abantu bami laba. Uyabona? These people made me who I am. Mele bangibabona labantu mina. Ngibona abantu abafana nami.
Isizwe sakho lesi.
Exactly.
Manje ushiya kanjani isizwe sakho uyohlala le Remseh wena?
That's my point exactly.
Nasi isizwe sele.
Exactly.
Mara bonaso lesizwe.
So uba motivate kanjani abazalwa emva kwakho ukuthi bazothi thina sakhula kuno Hacksoul music. Hacksoul music isikhule naye bekaphila life esoma akabhekani manje uphila kanjani. Uba motivate kanjani if awukho phambi kwakho.
Ukuzwa kahle.
Awukho phambi kwakho. So if ngiphambi kwabo manje they saw my struggle. Bangibonile ukuthi bengifunda kuphi. Bangibonile engikhule nabo ukuthi kuze sidle endlini bengenzani. Bangibonile abaningi ukuthi bengihamba house to house mina ngithengisa amakhekhe.
Are you successful if you live in a suburb with a house and a swimming pool and umntwana wakho angena ku private school, do you consider yourself successful?
Not exactly. Lezi zinto lezo ungazikhona ukuzenza ebantwini bakho elokishini. Ungakhona ukuzenza, uyaba motivator.
Yes.
Mina abantwana bami abafunde elokishini. Bafunda ku private school.
Yeah.
Kodwa ngiselokishini.
Yeah.
So I motivate abantu bezemva kwami ukuthi you can also do it.
Yes.
Ngaphandle kokuthi ushiye lokishini. You can also build ikasi ukuthi kube kusesababa.
So why singayenzi lento leyo? Why masiphethe imali siyahamba siyodevelopa the developed?
Peer pressure.
Bese siyekela the undeveloped.
Peer pressure lokungazazi. I-peer pressure lokungazazi nokungayihloniphi futhi imvelaphi yakho. Because mangithi ungayihloniphi imvelaphi yakho, I'm talking about ukuthi ngikhule noHotman manje ne for example. Njengoba ngichaza ukuthi ngiyazazi ukuthi la bengihlala khona bokumkhukhu bengena sikontiri inkuni bese silanda emfuleni. But manje sekune change angithi. Sekune idrata manje. Kuna ma RDP. Angithi. When you change that RDP into a mansion,
automatically the neighbor nayo izo participate.
Sekwenzakalani. Omunye okay akanamandla wokuchinja. But unawo amandla ukuthi RDP yakhe ayichinja efaka ama-alarm amafaka ibonda, afaka igarage, afaka amaholo. Alichinji lokisho.
Liyashintsha.
It's changing because they saw something.
Automatically liba isababa.
Exactly.
Automatically.
But then nonke masenithi okay mina nginemali ngiyamuva. Kuzohlezi kuselokishini. I-generation ne-generation ezalwayo. Leyo ndawo that place won't change. Because you abandoned the place enikhulele kuyo. Kahle you abandoned abantu enikhulele phansi kwabo. You abandoned abantu abasazoza emva kwenu.
Yeah, you speak like a leader. I always said that Guti, the world was empty in the beginning. After the evolution and the ecology and the revolution. And then Bazakela, their suburbs.
Yeah.
And then subject Katina, Science Wala Amakasi. Okay, now the ball is in our court. We take the same money, we're going to reinvest in the suburb. We're taking money back to our enemies. Actually, not our enemies, it's not our oppositions.
Exactly.
So, I said the next.
No.
Content I think there's a change.
Content nikhulisa le ndawo le ningayazi nokuthi icale ngakuphi ukuze ibe khona. Yini eniyenza? Ukhulisa into ongayazi ukuthi iqhamukaphi ibuyaphi. Yazi lento ifana nani? Ngizoyenza example. Bazongixolela bobaba. Ngizoyenza example ngento simple. Manje you have a child, your own child. I will support. Uyayekela ushiya mama ngoba umama usamfuna. Uyishiye nomama. Bese kufika enye intombazana ize nomntwana. Elifini yakho.
Bese ukhulisa lo mntwana.
Bese wena ukhulisa lo mntwana.
Ushiyo wakho.
Ushiyo wakho ngale. Yayibona lento nje. Iyafana exactly nalento esikhuluma manje ukuthi la ukhulele khona.
Ikasi yakho umntwanakho.
Umntwanakho lo.
Mawuhamba ushiya umntwana wakhe emuva.
You need to be proud.
Uyokhulisa omunye umntwana le phambili.
Exactly.
Ushiyo wakho.
Ubhlungami lo nto leyo.
So politically, what's your take? Where are we right now?
Hey. That one is very, very tough. That one is tough because even if was born as an individual, you don't have the power to change those things. You have nothing.
All I
can say is umuntu nomuntu kule generation esiphila kuyo manje. You need to look at yourself, uzibuze wena yourself ukuthi wena ufuna.
Yeah.
wena uzifiselana abantwana bakho bafiselana abantu around wena obathandayo bafiselana.
What is success to you? If you consider yourself successful, the day you say, Mama, I've made it, I'm successful. What is success to you?
Is to have everything I want. Number one, ukuthi abantu mabangibona babone i-leader yabo. Number two, ukuthi abantu mabangibona babone umsindisi, babone i-role model.
Yeah.
Success is not about money.
Yeah.
Success it's care, respect, love. Don't understand abantu ukuthi ube around abantu.
Yeah.
Ukuthi abantu mabakubona bazi ukuthi okay, makunotukuluho ngiyakwazi ukuphila. Makunotukuluho ngiyakwazi ukuphila. Makunotukuluho noma ngikhala ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngisuleke inyembe zami ziyasula. That is success to me.
Yeah.
Success ukuthi ngidrive imoto efence, ngihlale edladlela efence, ngibe nemali eningi. Imali engikhona ukuyishare nomunye umuntu. Success akusukuthi ngivuke ekseni ngilahle ama leftovers engiwathenga izolo ebusuku. But ikhona umuntu engimaziyo ukuthi ulambile. Akusi success leyo kimi. Success kimi ukuthi mangine million ngazi ukuthi kule million ngina 200,000. The rest yebantwini engibabonayo ukuthi okay lo muntu lo mangamnenzela into so izomsebenzela, izoyichinja impilo yakhe.
Bathi umuntu omnyama akafuna ukubona umuntu omnyama yaphambili. Uthini ngalokho?
It depends. It depends. As I said, it depends ukuthi ukhuliswa obani, ukhulele kuphi kanjani. Yeah. And it depends futhi ukuthi khona abanye abantu othi umbona ukuthi okay lo ukhule kanzima nyamazi ukhule kanzima yena maseka right ufuna ukuphilisa abanye abantu kanzima. But uyayazi phela ukuphila kanzima ukuthi njani. But ufuna ukuphilisa abanye abantu kanzima.
Angithi kuna lama idol lawa bathi ifa likhishwa ngelinye ifa.
Mina I don't believe in that.
We need to change other items and other codes.
Yes.
And other philosophies. Yizo lezi ezenza ukuthi abantu bacindezeleke. Bathi ifa likhishwa ngelinye ifa.
Ngizoyenza example manje. A simple.
Mina ngihusukile.
Yeah.
Mele nabanye ngibahusule.
Exactly. Let me make an example nama Somalians, Ethiopians. The ones abagcwele kasi manje. Ebanama business elokishini. Yabazi labantu bafika kanjani eSouth Africa?
Hayi asazi sibawona sebagcwele sivuke sokubovu.
Those people bafike ngengubo. Blankets.
Yeah.
Blankets, walking around the streets, knocking door to door.
Yeah. Door in door.
Yeah. Besibabiza ngabo 3 months to pay.
Yeah.
Uthi mawuthatha ingubo yakhe uzobhadala for 3 months. Those people bathenga ingubo China City. Bazi store 150. Bafike kasi bathi 800. Ubhadala ngithi wena ukhona ukuzela. Ubhadala for 3 months, ubhadala 800 into 150 ubhadala. Then but angikho lapho. Ngila kulento yakho ukuthi si buildana kanjani. Labo bantu labo engikhuluma ngabo. Kuze namhlanje babe nama shop. They started by one shop. Ithe shop maseyikhula. Bavule enye ebisithuba. Kulanda umshana le azohana ishop la. Sebana ama shop ayi2. Uvule enye shop ufuthi ebis3. Same people. Lawa bantu akusihlobo ukuthi babuye eKaseliwa. Akusihlobo. But they know they are struggling. They know ukuthi bazelinda. Namhlanje laba bantu labo sithenga kuthina.
Asathi isitoro somuntu omnyama.
Because laba bantu labo baso abayisebenzi leyo ukuthi iso ngeso ukhuzukile nami kumele ngikhuzuke. Those people bayadobhana.
Bayaphakamisa.
Exactly. Mase nginemali sengikhona ukuvula ishop ebis2. Ngilanda uIshmael futhi eTopia. Azorana le shop yami for a year.
After a year sekane yakhe.
After a year ngimvulele yakhe. Yena ulanda omunye azorana le yami. Angithena sekane yakhe. Uzorana le yami. After a year nalo omunye sekane yakhe. Then no Ishmael after a year, so we 2 years. Ishmael naye sekane mali yokuvula enye ishop.
Automatically
sekulanda 2
they took over the country.
Exactly. So labo bantu labo bayakhuphulana. Thina
bese thina sesiyabaphula
yasihlula thina.
Sesiba nomona.
Exactly. Bese sithi basithathele imisebenzi. Kanti leyo nto leyo nathi bese khona ukuyenza. Siyabalwisa sithi basithathele imisebenzi. For example, you can take a guy from Mozambique or Namibia. Akancane ukuvula itafula ekhoneni azithumele icathulo. Akanayo lento bayibiza ngokuthi abantu bazothengisa into. He doesn't have that one because he knows ukuthi ufuna. Thina sizazi ukuthi sifuna.
Thina abantwana bazothi.
Exactly.
Abantu bazothi.
Exactly.
Mara bochire bafuna yona le mali yona le yasekhoneni. Angidayibhalwanga le mali lelo ukuthi ukuthi le uyenze ngamagwinya or le uyenze ngesiphaza shop.
And the very same lady soba sabang later
bajolana lay out.
Later on bazoyidla le mali yakho. Yona lebo uzifihlela yona ukuthi bangangiboni ngithengisa amatamati. Banhlangane eGroville late bayayichawa abakucoleli ukuthi uyithole amatamatini nemali oyithonge.
Bafuna yona. But sifuna lo unayo imali uthengisa amatamati siyamazi.
Nawe uyabasaba wena usaba ukuthi bazothini mohle lapha ekhoneni uthengisa. Into esibulala.
So manje, I think in our country we're facing too much of loneliness. Amajita baya ngathi abasafuna ukujola, abasafuna ukushada. What do you say about that? What is the cause?
Because it's simple. That's what it's
abanye badivetile, okay, so understand. It's for the sake of money, power, gazing, and so forth.
Hence I said to Gucci, this thing is about impatho.
Yeah.
No time. So this nowadays I'll say kuthanda. For example, if I can ask you now, ugcineni ukubona umshado ubona imoto zipipize starting pip abantu bavele ngamawindi
isikhathi lento
ugcineni
no dala awuyiboni imvela kancane lento.
Exactly. Leyo nto leyo ibanga ukuthi manje akusena trust.
Yeah.
Abantu mabathandana manje they get into a relationship for something.
It's financial transaction.
Exactly. For something. Manje ngadiyema umuntu ku Facebook manje. Ngithe mamakhe kunjani vat sihlangana nini. Akangazi
ukuthi ngithumele imali elanje.
Kusasa ngokumbulisa namhlanje kusasa ukutshela ukuthi yazi bengithi ngiyesaluni angeke ngikhona ukuhlangana nawe ngiso. Ungakhona ukungifakela 500.
I-500 ayenza inwele
for ukuthi
azojabulisa wena. And wena ugunde nge7 rand lapha ekhoneni.
No, for ukuthi azohlangana nawe.
Ukuthi azohlangana nawe.
Exactly. Sometimes which is something that is not going to happen because sometimes lento zama social media now it's a scam. For example, i-generation yethu yamanje amantombazana bajolana abantu bangaphandle. Masingabiza abo-driver be-Bolt manje baselokishini. Babuza ukuthi ngenyanga uhambisa amantombazana ayingakhi boma midrand something kai for makers uzokubalela umhlobo yagcwala lencwadi just because of money.
But the problem is money.
The problem is money.
Then it is here to be continued. We've spoken. Thank you, my brother, for coming. Siyabonga, siyakuhlonipha. You've spoken so well. I think, Tina, our podcast is about building each other, motivating, inspiring, trying to find solutions. But the solutions is not only our responsibility, it's solution A to solve. I believe conversation esibambile omamele subscribe bafethu. To watch this, you must subscribe. The more you subscribe, the more the podcast will grow. I still repeat, if you have any support, any donation, you want to be a sponsorship, you want to advertise your product, you want to showcase, you want to sell something, you are welcome. Thank you, Bafetu. Ghetto Professor. Asihlangane next time.
Asibonge Khotmani.
Congratulations, my brother.
Thank you.
Last words, maybe something that you want to say for the people. Anything. Say much.
No, I mean, it's simple. I'd like to say shout out to abantu abahloniphayo, abantu abayaziyo ukuthi impilo ingani, abantu abamaziyo omunye umuntu. And also I'd like to encourage you guys ukuthi njoba Zulu Khotmani subscribe niqhubeke nibukele, niqhubeke futhi mawuzizwa nje nawe ukuthi okay mina ngina something engayibuilda, something engayiletha emphakathini, something abantu abafuna ukuyibona. You can come to the podcast. You are more than welcome. We choose a good podcast. Khotmani, all we know about him, we legend in South Africa. Usthanda sonke, and I hope nanda lapha emakhaya namthanda. Asibonge.
That's okay. Chesa.
No, this is simple. I can say kuyuthi asiqaleni sizama ukuzithanda. Asiqaleni sizama ukuzithanda as a youth, because into esibulalayo ukungazihloniphi, ukungazithandi, because izinto ezenzakala manje ukungazithandi. Asizithandi, asizihloniphi, so ngalokho akunala siya khona. Ukuzithanda it doesn't mean ukuthi kumele ugeze ube muhle, no. Ukuzithanda it doesn't mean ukuthi ube muhle ugeze. Ukuzithanda ukuqala ukuhlonipha umzali wakho, ukuhlonipha umakhelwane, nokwazi omunye umuntu futhi ukuthi omunye umuntu umuntu ngani. What I have here akuseyami lento le. Lento le eyenu because ngiyithole ngani. Ngokuzithanda, nokunithanda, nokuzihlonipha, nokunihlonipha. If I didn't do that, bengeke nimvotele uHaxel Music to have this thing. So all I can say, ngithanda nonke, and big up to you guys for ukuthi nibukele. Next time so phinde sibonane futhi.